What is going on, Troll Fam? Guys, we're over at our flip house, our remodel house. So I don't know if I'm pretty sure I told you guys this house is completely hoarded with all kinds of stuff. Let me give you kind of a look through. You can kind of see, but yeah, so pretty trashed. Got some new cabinets and stuff I'm gonna put in this kitchen. This kitchen is absolutely horrible. I can't believe they let this was filled floor to ceiling. Look at that spider over there. Floor to ceiling with junk. This is like weeks and weeks of clearing out trash. Okay, this looks good compared to what it was. This was full, completely on full of disgustingness. Like, look at this crappy stuff that they did. You got all kinds of old pipes and all kinds of stuff. I don't know if... So all the pipes, okay, instead of fixing them, they completely just duct taped everything. Complete nastiness. Look, the electrical, they didn't even run the electrical behind the walls. They just put all this stuff on there. But let me give you a peek upstairs real quick. Hey, look at the scariness. Gotta fix all this. Yeah, let me just pop the wire up. Look at us. They had not one, not two, not three, not four, but 5 layers of carpet and then linoleum. So this bedroom number 1, this is the attic to scariness. But look at this. They put a doorway here and in the next room, right? This was filled floor to ceiling with stuff, by the way. We still got a ton of stuff. This goes into another bedroom, filled floor to ceiling with stuff. Down here, up here, I mean, down here. Yeah.
Sorry, Coco, I had to help Mom.
Oh, it's okay. And then this is the bathroom.
What are you doing?
I'm showing the Troll Fam the house. We're live right now. Say hi, Hannah.
Oh, hi.
I know. Look at this bathroom. Look at that toilet. Oh my God, it's so stained and disgusting. Ugh. Oh, God, I forgot how disgusting it is. But this was filled floor to ceiling. Look how all the rooms loop together. So,
Mom cleaned it out.
I know, you did a great job. Oh my God, we gotta knock this closet out. This is horrible. So this loops around. Hannah, stay there, ready? I'm gonna go around. You can go around. Back to Hannah. All right, stay there. All right, ready? We're gonna go around. Go around. Back to Hannah. Oh my God. All right, so yeah, I'm getting dizzy. So anyway, we gotta change that. Yeah, I know, it's disgusting. All right, let's come back down here. These stairs are crazy too. They're actually pretty strong stairs though. But look how low this headroom is. Like, let me show you.
Bang your head.
Yeah. So, bing. And I'm not the most super tall dude. I'm 5'10", and I'm hitting my head here.
I'm 5'3".
5'3". Let's see if Hannah hits her head. Almost.
Ew.
Tippy toes.
I know.
But anyway, once we get everything all done, we got brand new cabinets, soft close hinges, got some granite, sink, all that fun stuff. And yeah, so got a lot of work cut out for us, but I'll keep you guys updated. And look at this mess. Look at this absolute mess. Hannah's gonna break some stuff, right? Give me something to break. All right, I got my worker Hannah. All right, show them how it's done. How do we use this jaw horse? Girls of construction. All right, just got it all clamped up. Just gonna lock her in. All right, she's locked in. We're gonna, over there on top of that. All right, she's got her PPE. She's got the glasses going. She's got the gloves all Milwaukee'd out. All right. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's my girl. Oh, Hannah went and got the Bluetooth speaker. We're golden now. All right, troll fam. I will catch you later. As you can see, we're super busy. Family stuff, working on house stuff, tool stuff. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace. Peace out, troll fam.